Hi, it's Brian Kelleher with Keller Williams Realty. And today I want to talk about the 3 most common questions I'm getting from home sellers in today's market. So stick around and watch the whole video. There is no doubt that interest rates have had a really profound effect on the housing market the last couple of years. And so today I want to talk about the 3 most common questions I'm getting from home sellers, specifically sellers that are thinking of selling their home and then turn around and buying another home. Well, the number one question I get is, should I wait? Should I wait to sell my home until interest rates come down where it'll be easier for me to buy my next home? And the answer to that is, by waiting, you could do yourself a disservice. And the reason for that is, as rates come down, it may help you with your payment on your next home. However, there's gonna be a lot of buyers just like yourself, possibly sellers that are thinking of turning around and buying another house, as well as first-time home buyers that have been sitting on the sidelines. They're gonna be getting back into the market. So while you might have a slightly lower payment because interest rates have come down a bit, you may be faced with rapidly rising prices and multiple offers and higher competition on the home you want to buy next. Number 2 is, are there still buyers out there? Well, the answer to that is yes, there are. There's still plenty of buyers out there, and it's a great time to have your house on the market. When we look at 2023 and 2024 as compared to before, what we call the unicorn years of 2021 and 2022, when things really went crazy post-pandemic. When we compare 2023 and 2024 to the last couple of normal years of 2018 and 2019, we are still seeing more buyer activity. Houses are showing more often, and there's just more buyers out there now than there were, like I said, before those unicorn years. So yes, there are plenty of buyers out there, and it's a great time to have your house on the market. And the last question I get a lot is, well, can I even afford to buy another home? If I sell my home now, where am I going to go, and can I afford to buy that next home? Well, the good news is that for sellers that have owned their home for more than a couple of years, they probably have more equity in their home than they think they do. We've seen really rapid rising prices, especially over the last 5 or so years. While you might be faced with a slightly higher rate buying your next home, you are probably able to put down a much higher down payment on your next home than you were able to on your last home. And that can help offset some of the higher payment due to the interest rates. So I hope that's helpful information for all the sellers out there. If you have any questions about any of this, or if you're thinking of putting your house on the market in the next few months, shoot me an email or a text. And in the meantime, thanks for tuning in and stay in touch.